Everybody knows what the Chili Bowl is. I mean, people that don't know what a sprint car or midget is still have heard of the Chili Bowl. It's just become such a big spectacle. You see NASCAR guys, sprint car guys, midget guys, I mean, all kinds of different race car drivers come and run the same type of race car. It's just, it's really cool to see. There are definitely people that is their race that they care about, and that's all they want to win. The whole week was really pretty frustrating. You know, Monday we had some fuel system issues. The rear end was the wrong ratio. Somehow we got mixed up on that, had the wrong gear in it. So we were kind of changing stuff, thrashing. We pushed off Thursday for hot laps, and it still wasn't running right. Thing was hardly running in the heat race when we still won the heat race, which was really cool. It wasn't running in the qualifier, and we still finished second in the qualifier. And then we push off for the feature, and it finally runs, and we're running second in the feature, which locks us in to the A on Saturday. Motor hadn't run all night. All of a sudden, the motor runs, and we spun out. That was as much our fault on the race car as it was CJ's. You know, we didn't give him any real idea of what the race car was gonna actually drive like until the feature. We weren't gonna have a chance to get back up through the field. So that was a bummer, but you know, I was glad that the motor was running, we had those issues solved, and I knew we could have a shot at getting to the A on Saturday. He beat himself up pretty good, but like I told him, I spun out running third all by myself at Talladega, so I've been there too, so I know how it feels. He's a racer, he gets it, and I don't think it bothered him for that night, but come Saturday, he was just using it as motivation to transfer as far as we could go.